the scientific method involves making observations. There are two major types of observations: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative data describe a quality. You would use your senses to make qualitative observations. For example, your sense of smell, sight, hearing, or touch. Quantitative data measures a quantity. You would have to use a measuring tool, for example, a graduated cylinder to measure volume, a scale to measure mass, a thermometer to measure temperature, or a ruler to measure length. Qualitative data are usually words, qualities of an object. Quantitative data are numbers. In science, quantitative observations are often preferred over qualitative observations simply because quantitative data is more objective, whereas qualitative observations can be more subjective. Quantitative observations use the metric system. The metric system has standard units, for example, meters, liters, and grams. Meters are used to measure distance. Liters are used to measure volume. And grams are used to measure mass. The metric system is based on the number 10. Everything is measured with a standard unit of 1, for example, 1 meter, 1 liter, or 1 gram. We use prefixes in the metric system to either multiply or divide the standard unit by tens. So if we were exploring distance, for example, using meters, 1 meter would be the standard. The prefix millimeter, would mean that you have 1/1000th of that standard 1 meter. A centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. A decimeter is 1/10th of a meter. Similarly, if you were to be going bigger, 10 meters is called a decameter. 100 meters is called a hectometer, and 1,000 meters is called a kilometer or kilometer.